Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to today's Qigong class. Today I've got a lower body routine for you that is good for building up leg strength, strengthening the knees, and increase circulation up and down the legs. So let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Bring your attention to your feet. Find all four corners of your feet. Get grounded, get centered, feel their connection with the ground. And then lengthen through your spine and feel nice and tall so the top of the head is drawn upward towards the sky. Relax your whole body. Soften your hips and tuck your tailbone slightly in. Find the body alignment that feels good. And then we're going to be focusing primarily on the lower body today, so we begin with the hip rotation. Gently rotate your hips clockwise. Nice, slow, controlled movement. You can even close your eyes for a few minutes and look inward. Notice how you feel. Relax your hips. Think of this movement as if you're drawing a nice round-shaped circle with your hips on the ground. Very good. And then wherever you are, we're going to pause and rotate in the opposite direction. You want to warm up this area, you want to loosen up a little bit, get the blood moving. Very good. Last one here. We're going to come back to center. Relax your lower back. Again, bring your attention to your feet. And from here, we're going to rotate the knees. Make sure the weight is evenly distributed in the both feet. So go down and up. Your spine is nice and long. So keep that in mind. And bring your attention to your knees. Open them, let them breathe. Activate those muscles. Very good. Pause at the toe and we go in the opposite direction, about 6 to 8 times. Very good, last 2. And relax at the toe. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Notice your thighs, notice your knees. Let yourself relax. Very good. Okay? Then from here, place both hands on your hips. I hope your hands are nice and warm. And we're going to inhale, keeping the lower back nice and straight. We're going to slide down, palms on the knees. Then we're going to exhale, come back. Inhale, go down. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. So using the strength of the lower body to support, not the back. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one here. And stand back up. Relax your arms, relax your legs. And again, take your time here to notice what changed. Notice how you feel. You should feel a little warmer, a little fuller. You're a lot more aware of your legs. Very good. And if you need to, you can shake them off to the side. Otherwise, bring your feet together, your knees together, your ankles together, as close as you can. And from here, we're going to come to the chair pose. Again, keeping our back nice and long. The head is up. You're activating those legs. Come here, and then step back. Shift the weight to the back, and stretch the front of the leg. You feel all the weight at the back, and nice lengthening through the front. Then bend the knees, come back, keeping this pose, step out. All the way from your big toe, going up, then shift the weight forward. Stay with me, we do one more on each side, lengthening through the front. Come back, step out. Very good. Come back and relax. Stand up, relax your legs, relax your thighs, and notice how you feel. Again, the energy begins to build up. You should feel nice and warm in the lower body. The circulation increase. So that's good. Very good. Then we're going to slide down again. This time, step to the back and lift your toes off the ground, focusing on the back of the leg. Stretch hamstrings, then shift the weight forward gently and step out of your other leg. So you can press a little bit if you need to feel more of the hamstrings, otherwise you can just lift your toes a bit higher. Move forward. We do one more. Step out. Come back. And back again. Focusing on the hamstrings. Keeping the upper back nice and flat. Come back to center. Feet are together. And raise up. Again, give yourself time to relax, to notice the difference, to notice the sensations inside. The pleasant warmth begins to spread up the body, down, kind of washing away or washing the joints, everything. Very good. And then slowly shake it off to the side. Very good. Then shift away on one leg. I'm doing it for the left. So raise your right leg off the ground. So turn the ankles so the toes are pointing to the side. Then we're going to squeeze, raise as high as you can. Twist so you open the hip, the knee and the ankle. And then press down. Same time, your knee will be kind of bouncy. So don't lock your knee. Always keep it flowing, okay? So let's do turn to the left, up, open, down. We do two more. Up, open, and down. That's a little challenge here, but it's really good for all three joints. One more. Up, down, and forward. Very good. Relax. Let it all relax. Relax every muscle of your legs. Relax, let it flow. Let the blood flow. Very good. Then shift the weight to your right leg. Extend your left. Turn the ankle and then go up and down. Inhale. When you're up, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one here. And exhale. Very good. Relax. Again, taking your time to relax. To let the blood wash away all the joints, relax the muscles. Very good, okay? And then from here, we're going to do kind of a strengthening and balancing exercise. So keep the weight on one leg. We're going to raise, open the arms and raise one leg up. Nice and straight. So your back is nice and flat. And then release, bring back down. And then open all the way, bit higher. Keeping that balance, keeping that center. And then release and change legs. Open. Relax down. Open all the way to the top. And relax down. One more. Open. Relax. Again, using the strength of the legs to keep the body weight up. Relax. Open and relax down. Very good. Give yourself some time to relax. Observe the sensation inside. Very good. And then to finish, step out to the side, about shoulder width apart, and with a loose fist, we're going to tap the hips. Begin tapping your hips. Then to the side, the top of the glutes, and then come all the way down to your ankles. Then come to the inside, go up, pause at the knees. Tap a few more seconds on the knees, and then come up. One more time. Down by the sides. Come up. And one more, all the way down. The ankles from the inside, pause at the knees. And come up. Very good. Relax and bring your attention to your lower body. You should feel nice and warm. You're a bit more aware of the lower body. The blood is flowing. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this short routine. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. And enjoy the rest of your day. And goodbye.